So for this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a web dashboard from a Google Sheets file. And for this, I'm going to be using the free web app StyleBI. Signing into StyleBI in this page here that I'll provide in the description. Click open the app. Now you can create an account or you can just sign in with Google. I'm going to sign in with Google. And once you sign in, you get to this wizard that walks you through the process of either uploading or connecting to data and creating a dashboard. So I'm going to click connect to data source. Here's a whole list of the data sources you can connect to, selecting Google Sheets. And then now by signing in with Google and giving permission, it's going to generate access tokens for me. Okay, now you have to give permission to both of these. Okay, so now that that is been successfully authorized, click OK. And the next step is creating a query. It's created a new data worksheet, which holds the query. So I'm going to select my connection to Google Sheets, and I'm going to select a Google Sheet, one of sales data. And then I'm going to select a worksheet within the Google Sheets file. There's only one here. Okay, now it's prompting me to save my data worksheet, which is where the query is held. Next step is to create dashboard. And now I'm at the visualization recommender that makes recommendations for charts or tables based on what fields I choose. So for this dashboard, I think I'm going to focus on the product categories and also region. So I'm going to want to see a breakdown of sales by that. So I'll select sales total, and I'll select product category, and then also the region of the companies who are buying. Okay, now it's suggesting a stacked bar chart, which is what I made in the last video. But I think for this video, I'm going to make it a crosstab. So I'm going to select crosstab. Okay, now it's decided to make the columns of the crosstab the company region and the rows the product category. But I'm going to switch it up a bit. So I'm going to click through to full editor. And I'm going to switch company region and product category. So now the region are the rows and the categories are the columns. So that's a more condensed crosstab. I'm going to finish. Going to select a spot on the dashboard for the table. Continue. Now it's prompting me to save the dashboard. Okay, so now I have a dashboard. You could call it a report that's pulled data from a Google Sheet file to make a table. But I think I'm going to add a chart here also. I'm going to pull out a chart over here. I'm going to make it a little smaller so that it fits better. Okay, so now for this chart, I'm going to focus on a visual breakdown of the sales total by product category. I had a breakdown of that in the table, but I want to see it visualized. Now I want to see how they make up the whole, so I'm going to select a pie chart. So now I have a pie chart that shows the proportion of each product category to sales. I'm going to click finish. Now I've messed around with the layout a bit so that both my table and my chart are visible. Now I'm going to drag out a selection list and a slider. So if I drag out product price, it becomes a slider. So now I can limit product price. And I can pull out a selection list for salesperson also. Okay, so now I have a dashboard where I can drill down on product price, and I can drill down by selecting a few salespeople. And then I can see the breakdown of the product sold by those salespeople within that price range by both category and also by region. And I can see the proportions of the different product categories. And that's how you make a dashboard from a Google Sheet.